There are traders in the market who take random trades without proper analysis or game plan. I'm going to show you one of my live trades. I'm going to show you my small account. Also, I'm going to show you one of the trades which helped me to pass the Fundamips challenge. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you the proper game plan before executing a trade. I'm going to show you what's in my mind on a higher time frame, and I'm going to show you how I executed my trades so that you will be able to take information from this particular video, and you can take that information and you can use that information in your trading career. By watching this video till the end, you will be able to execute trades. You will be having a proper idea about why you should have a proper game plan and why you should avoid taking random trades. This trade is based on proper analysis, proper game plan, and I executed that trade. This is not just, this is not a trade which I randomly looked at a time frame like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and I executed that trade. There is a proper logic, there is proper analysis, and there is proper game plan for this trade. By watching this video till the end, like I told, you will have a proper idea about why you should trade with a proper game plan. You are here to make money, and you are not here to lose money on random trades. So before I take you to the live trade or live analysis or my live profit statement, I'm going to take you through my mind, how I was able to execute this trade, how I was able to execute this trade with a high RR. And I'm going to show you one of my small account. Like, if you are someone who is watching my videos regularly, you know that I have multiple accounts and I trade on multiple accounts. And I'm going to show you two of my accounts where I trade or where I executed the same trade. And I'm going to show you that. So my name is Arshad and welcome to AI Trading Community. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to give you proper value. Each of your time is valued here so that you are able to make money moving forward. Okay. So the first thing which you need to do is take a pen and paper and start taking notes. Everything must be recorded. Everything must be, each minute which you spend here on YouTube, you should value that time and you should record your notes. Okay. So the first thing is I'm going to directly look at the chart. So this is the 4 hour which I'm going to look. So I'm not going to complicate any of the things. I'm going to simply talk to you into your brain. Okay. And I'm going to look at the 4 hour. I hope you have some idea about market structure. If you don't have any idea about market structure, you can go back and start watching the market structure video, which I have already made. So this is how the chart looks. So I'm going to give you some makeup. I'm going to show you some things. Okay. This is how the charts look like. So I never draw this in my chart, but I'm going to show this drawing so that you have an idea. So this is previous high. This is the break of structure. This is an equal high, right? So the market was coming back down, coming back up, hitting this area, coming back down again. After that, the market was trying to go up, broke the structure, broke the previous high, broke the break of structure. You can see that after that, the market tried to go down. From this particular level, you can see that this is pending orders, or you can call that as fair value gap. From here, the market had this huge move. Again, the market came back down. From here, the market took liquidity and again started going up. Again, the market is consolidating between these levels. The market is consolidating between this equal high and between these pending orders. So this is what I was looking at the higher time frame. By looking at the higher time frame of 4 hours, this was the picture which I was seeing. So I was looking at this particular area, this pending order level or this fair value gap level. Okay. So moving forward, I'm going to look at the lower time frame. So this is how the 1 hour look without any marking. With the marking, this is how it looks. So you can see that this is the previous high. Again, you can see that the market was trying to take this liquidity. The market took liquidity from this particular low. You can see that the market took liquidity. The market was trying to go up. So as a trader, you need to understand that how the liquidity works. So my high time frame bias, my high time frame. So if you look at my 4 hour, this is the area where I'm looking. This particular area, this is the area where I'm looking, right? So you can see that in the 1 hour, this is how it looks. So I'm going to look at the lower time frame. So this is the 15 minute of that same particular analysis. So this particular low, the market took liquidity. This particular low, the market took liquidity, created a equal low. Again, after that, the market started going up, right? So this is the 5-minute chart. So at this particular level, I was looking at this fair value gap, right? I was interested to look at this fair value gap inside the 4-hour fair value gap or inside the 4-hour pending order level. So by looking at the 5-minute chart, this is how it looks, right? The market was trading between this particular area. Again, the market took liquidity from this particular area, okay? So this is where I started executing my trades. So I'm going to show it to you. So by looking, let's look at the 15-minute again. The market broke. The market was coming down, right? The market was coming down, took liquidity from the lower level. After that, the market started going up, breaking the structure, creating a change of character. We are having a minor change of character. The market is moving from bearish to the bullish side. From this particular level, the market came back down, came back up, came back down, came back up. From this particular level, there are people who execute their trades. They execute their buy trades. But I'm not here interested in this buy trade. I need to see the market taking liquidity before moving up. So market trapped the early buyers here. This is the early buyer level. The market trapped the early buyers and then the market started going up. So on the 15-minute, this is the area where I'm interested. This is the 5-minute fair value gap. At this 5-minute fair value gap, the market started taking liquidity. This is where I went down to a lower time frame, like the 1 minute. This is how it looks, and I'm going to draw it down. Okay, so if you zoom in, you can see that the market had a break of structure. The market broke this particular high, having a change of character. So this is the 15 in the 15 minutes. This is a change of character, right? So in the 15 minutes, it's looked like this, right? It's looked like this. It took liquidity at this particular point. So after the close of this candle, I'm interested to see a break of structure in the 1-minute chart, and I'm going to execute my trades on a discounted level. So moving forward, this is how it looks, right? The market went up, break the structure, came back down, took this pending order level or fair value gap level. I executed my trades at this particular level, right? I executed my trades at this particular level. This is a discounted level as well. This is the 50% level, and the market started going up from this particular level. Okay, from this particular level, we executed trades at the right point. On many of my account, I was able to catch 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, and one of my major account, I exited at this particular level. I was not able to catch this particular point, and on the smaller account, I was able to catch this particular level. So you can see my entry price, my exit price, 2926 and 2932. So this is my execution on my smaller account. This account, I'm just showing this account for illustration to show my execution, so that you have a proper idea, right? So how does we execute this trade? I'm going to review it again. So in the high time frame, in the 4-hour, we were looking at this pending order level or the fair value gap, right? So if you look at the high time frame, we were looking at this particular level, this higher. In the high time frame, we were looking at this particular level of fair value gap, and then we were looking at the lower time frame. So I'm going to directly look at the 15-minute. So when we look at the 15-minute, we were looking at a change of character. In the 4-hour, we know that the market is going up. The market is hitting the fair value gap. So after that, the market hit this fair value gap. After that, the market had this change of character. From this particular level, the market had the sell-off. Again, the market went up, came back down, went up, came back down. We were waiting for a liquidity grab. After that liquidity grab, we started looking at the lower time frame. We started looking at the break of structure again on a lower time frame, like at the 1 minute. There is a change of character. We executed the trade, right? We executed that particular trade at this particular level. We entered and this is the liquidity grab on the 15 minute, right? So this is the liquidity grab on the 15 minute. We executed this trade and we were able to capitalize on that. So moving forward, you can see that this is my small account. I'm showing that so that you have that proper transparency and proper proof that I was able to execute that trade. I'm not looking at that past data. I'm not looking at that older data and showing you that. I'm just showing you with proof that I was able to execute that trade. If you need further proof, I'm going to show you one more account of mine, which I was able to, clear one of the funding pips account, right? So this was the account. So I was able to clear that. So you can see that this is the execution of that funding pips account. This is my execution. I was hiding my other trades. Here I was having other trades as well. So I'm not going to show you my other trades. All you need to do is you need to be interested in this particular trade, right? So you can see that this is the execution. I was able to capitalize on that as well. This is the close. This is the SL, and this is my open price as well. So I think I made this. I was planning to make this video, but I was a little late. And I was able to clear the second phase of funding pips of that same account as well. So it was really, I was able, we have the 3 days. I was able to clear it in 2 days as well. So in one of my account, I was able to capitalize till here, this particular level. You can see that in the high time frame, you can understand that level, right? So this was the previous high. I was able to execute that trade and exit at this particular level. I was able to execute and exit at this particular level on that previous high. So this is how you need to trade. You don't need to take random trades. All you need to do is have a proper analysis, have a proper game plan, start looking at the levels which is discounted, and look at reaction on lower time frame and execute your trades on much lower time frame to catch high RR. All you need to do is catch high RR, and I'm going to show you my funding pips account in a bit. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you are able to, take some value in this particular video. We are not traders who take random trades, but we are traders who have proper game plan before executing your trades. I hope on the next time when you trade, you will be having a proper game plan before executing any particular trade. Thank you so much.